In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows Update error code 0xa02444011 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is we have to click on the Start button, go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Here we can find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Follow the in-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. After running the Windows Update Troubleshooter, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then the next thing that we can do is to check for the services. Go to the Windows search bar and type Services. Click on it under the Best Match. Locate the background intelligent transfer service, double click, change that to automatic, click on start, apply, and then okay. Then look for the cryptographic service, scroll down, double click on it. Make sure this is automatic, service status, click on start, apply, and then okay. You can also consider restarting the service by clicking the restart button. Scroll down to the W section and look for the Windows Update service. Right click, go to properties. Make sure this is automatic. Click on start to make sure this is running. Apply and then okay. You can also consider clicking on the restart button on the left pane. Then just simply right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. And go to the Windows search bar, type Notepad for the last method. Click on it. Now I will be pasting a script in the description box below. Okay. And then simply click on File, click Save As. Then save this in the desktop. Name this as solution or fix. Let's say, for example, fix any file name, but make sure to put the extension .bat and then save as type all files. Then click on save. Then you'll find that in the desktop, right click and then select run as administrator. Click yes and just simply wait for the process to be completed. Type Y, hit enter. Then right-click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.